Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I wanted to talk about 3 things to look for prior to buying a new motorcycle. I've been riding for about 8 years up until my accident last year. Stay towards the end. I feel like I want to do a bonus and another bonus. So stick around to the end to make sure you hear those. Okay, so if there's one thing that I learned is that you could love a motorcycle and buy it because you love it and you can't get parts. So the first thing that I say to look for is brand support. When I bought my Continental 650 Royal Enfield, Harley Davidson were the only people that were selling it. And it was like the redheaded stepchild in the corner, right? All these guys talking about a Aprilia 660 and the Tuono and all this other stuff. And I just feel like that would be great here in the US. I'd love to get an Aprilia. I'd love to. The fact of the matter is that how am I going to get parts? Who really supports it? Number 2 you want to ask is, what is the cost to maintain it? I think Chase on Two Wheels did a cost comparison of like Ducati, Aprilia, and some other bikes. And, you know, I hear anytime you go there is like $300 to $1,000, right? And that's, you know, besides gas, besides insurance and all this other stuff. And so like, these are things that if you don't want to, keep buying and selling a motorcycle because, you know, you love the bike, then you find out it's not the right fit, or you buy it and you find out there's not support or the cost to maintain is whatever. That's a real thing to really consider. What is the cost to maintain it? And then number 3 are what are some online reviews and comments? I think I'm going to post something here about like a local dealer. I think they have like a 2.7 stars out of 5. And people know, and sometimes it's good to know going in, like, okay, this is that place. I know, like, they don't give a shit about selling a bike. A lot of the stuff that I'm talking about, actually, as a preface, this are street bikes. So for me, like, it's important, like, what are the reviews? What are people saying? You know, what's the community saying about this dealership or that dealership? Because somebody has to really piss someone off. It's the people that leave reviews are people that are super happy and super that are pissed off. If you're in the middle, you don't really leave a review. If you're pissed, you're going to take the time to be like, F this place. And I've been there. And I'm the type of person that's like, I will go out of my way to say great stuff and tell everyone I know about you if I have a great experience. And then the opposite is true. And then bonus number 1, do you like and trust the salesperson? Do you like and trust them? I bought my Triumph Speed Twin, I won't say the place and the people involved and all that other stuff. When I originally bought it at the local shop here, knew all the guys, knew everyone, out the door price was what it is. There were no extra admin fees and all. Out the door price, that's all I want to know. Taxes, fees, title, all that stuff. And that's what I pay. I don't want to see all these added on $50, $500, what. If I see that immediately, what it does is it rings the thing in my head where it's just like, no. And then you're going to haggle like, oh, that's what we did. I literally, when I was trying to, buy this other bike and I showed them when I bought my Speed Twin, I didn't have those admin fees and I was thinking about another bike from them and I saw it had admin fees. I was like, wait. I'm just supposed to give you $500 out of the goodness of my heart for no reason whatsoever. That wears away on on me willing to part ways with my hard-earned money. It's important. Do you trust and like this person? Because you'll probably see them again, and you want to feel comfortable going to the shop to service it and all that other stuff, if that's a thing for you. The thing that I think that we need to understand also as well, how do others view it? And are the owners of that bike your crowd? Listen, it may not be a thing for you at all, but it's something to consider. It's something people always tell me. It's like, dude, I'd love to get this bike, whatever, but it's really not my crowd. So think about it. Is that brand like your crowd? Thanks so much for sticking around. Listen, I really appreciate a like and a subscribe if you like this. I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers at least in the next month or so because, I'm able to like earn some money like making these videos and stuff like that. Let me hear your thoughts if I missed anything on, what to look for before buying a new motorcycle. Thanks so much. I really appreciate it.